Congratulations on receiving your Bioness L300 Go system. Today, we'll walk you through the contents of your box and how to set up the device. Inside your shipping box, you will find your white L300 Go box and a yellow bag with electrodes. Open your L300 Go box and you will find your user's reference card, a user's guide, and additional documents. Keep these in a safe location and review them when you're able. Underneath is your Bioness L300 Go system cuff and a breathable carry bag. In the white box, you'll find your charging cable and charging base. Open up that box and choose the electrical configuration that works in your part of the world, and connect the cable to the base. This cable connects to the base of the external pulse generator, known as an EPG, on your cuff, and you will see a flashing green light once it is connected to a power source. Go ahead and charge your cuff fully until the green light remains solid.